Right, solve 0 to 2 pi. Always the first thing in mind is to isolate the trig function, so I have to divide by 2. Right, so I've isolated sine squared. I need this to be sine, so I take the square root of both sides. Right. So now this is sine of 2x equals plus or minus 1 over the square root of 2, which is plus or minus root 2 over 2. Okay, so we know where the sine equals plus or minus root 2 over 2, right? At pi over 4, it's positive. At 3 pi over 4, it's positive. At 5 pi over 4, it's negative. And at 7 pi over 4, it's negative. Those are plus or minus the square root of 2 over 2. But remember, because of this 2x, right, I actually need to go around the circle twice and get those values, because I'm going to divide those angles by 2. So going around the circle twice, when I divide those angles by 2, they will all be between 0 and 2 pi. So this is going to be 2x equals pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and I'm not going to write all these out. Right, the last one is going to be 15 pi over 4. Right, there's all the terms in between there. And then when I divide by 2, multiply by half, I'm going to get pi over 8, 3 pi over 8, 5 pi over 8. Right, and all those middle terms until we get to the last one, which is 15 pi over 8. Which again, we needed all the angles that solve this between 0 and 2 pi. And you can notice 15 over 8 is just a little bit less than 2. 16 pi over 8 would have been 2. So this angle is between 0 and 2 pi. Remember, that's how you deal with a multiple angle here. You cannot divide this by 2 in this position. You need to set the angle equal to all the angles and then divide by 2.